Build strong muscles, proven strategies to excel at muscle building. Introduction. Welcome to this video, where we will explore proven strategies to excel at muscle building. If you're looking to achieve a healthy and strong body through strength training, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will cover effective techniques to build muscle, enhance your strength, and optimize your workouts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, these strategies will help you take your muscle building journey to the next level. Building muscle. Building muscle is not just about lifting weights. It's a combination of various factors. To start, you need to focus on progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts over time. By constantly challenging your muscles, you stimulate growth and strength gains. Another crucial aspect of muscle building is nutrition. Your body needs the right fuel to build muscle effectively. Ensure you are consuming enough protein to support muscle recovery and growth. Additionally, include a balance of carbohydrates and healthy fats in your diet for energy and overall well-being. Form and technique. Form and technique are fundamental when it comes to strength training and muscle building. Proper form ensures that you are targeting the intended muscles and minimizing the risk of injury. Take the time to learn the correct form for each exercise and focus on maintaining it throughout your workouts. Compound exercises. Incorporating compound exercises into your training routine is a game changer for muscle building. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, allowing you to lift heavier weights and work your body more efficiently. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses are excellent examples of compound exercises that target major muscle groups. Progressive training. To keep making progress, you need to implement progressive training techniques. This involves continuously challenging your muscles by increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts. By doing so, you create a stimulus for muscle growth and strength gains. Keep a workout log to track your progress and ensure you are consistently pushing yourself. Rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are often overlooked but are vital for optimal muscle growth. Your muscles need time to repair and rebuild after intense workouts. Make sure to prioritize sleep, as it plays a crucial role in muscle recovery. Additionally, incorporate active recovery days into your routine to allow your muscles to heal and prevent overtraining. Call to action. Now that you have learned these proven strategies to excel at muscle building, it's time to put them into action. Start by incorporating progressive overload, focusing on proper form, and including compound exercises in your training routine. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrition and prioritize rest and recovery. By consistently implementing these strategies, you will see noticeable improvements in your muscle strength and overall physique. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on strength training and healthy bodybuilding. Keep pushing yourself. Stay dedicated. And achieve your muscle building goals.